first one's through.
First one's through the village.
They opened the queue at 5:02, and because we had little bags, we was able to just go in a separate queue. Ah, there is. That's for Newport then. But that'd be quicker for next time, I don't know. Here's an empty village. Woo! So
Head to Starbucks, hopefully get a quick.
yeah, hopefully it gets served quickly if it's open. So today we are heading to reserve the Disneyland Park. I'm hoping, like Josh just said, we can get Starbucks.
Yes.
And then we're going to head either to Peter Pan or Hyperspace first of all.
I think we're getting quite a few at this rate.
Fingers crossed. Depends how long the Starbucks take.
We'll get past this point, there'll be a couple hundred people from already.
Oh, don't jinx it. You never know. They could have opened the other queues early as well.
Well, I hope the Starbucks is open. It's right here.
It doesn't look like it is.
Next to the steakhouse.
It looks very dark. I don't think it's open.
Oh,
No, not open. So Starbucks is closed.
Dude.
Heads up. So never mind. We will do what we did yesterday.
5 to 8 in a minute, so
yeah.
Starbucks late.
So tomorrow, we know for tomorrow we'll go to our Starbucks. It'll probably be a little, I don't know. See what happens tomorrow. We're meeting family tomorrow, so we'll see. Oh, just hair drying the paint.
Fresh pin.
Isn't it nice? It's kind of good to see, in all fairness. Heading towards the hotel. Nice and empty. We are right at the front of the queue. It is 13 minutes past 8 and the gates will open at past. Very exciting.
It is. So just to the side.
Yes, we're going to go straight down there.
Don't we?
Run to the castle and then run to Hyper, if it's open. Fingers crossed it is.
Thank you.
Okay. Goodness. You're running. Oh, I think someone's there. Oh, Mickey and Minnie. Ah, I think it's as empty as we'll ever see it.
It will be.
I think so. It's good in the morning though, early morning.
So pretty. Such a nice morning glow. Oh, Stitch is out.
Is he? Oh yeah. So he is. In the distance. I could see metal things spinning, but I could never tell what they were.
Yeah, there's a different ones for the 30th. It's like, I can't remember what they're called.
Into Frontierland. We head on Big Thunder. So it's one of the busiest ones.
Whoa, look there. That's spooky.
So cool. And there she is. Which way to Big Thunder, right?
Big Thunder is right.
Thunder Mercer.
Big Thunder Mercer.
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 I like Mercer.
Oh, she's going.
Can I hear it? Oh yeah, I can.
Who's testing?
If people that didn't know, the Big Thunder here actually goes underground, under the water, and onto the island in the middle.
If you also didn't know, this is the best Big Thunder.
Yes, it's very good.
Better than American.
Especially
And
it goes,
really good at night time.
especially underground, where it goes through like caves, like bats and everything.
Yeah, very good.
Very
Fly
good.
all over the place, don't you?
Yeah. So far, so good.
Straight down to mine. Tomorrowland. So we're going to help it. Oh no, we're going to jump on Hyper.
We're going to jump inside.
We are, we're going to go on Hyperspace Mountain. It's saying a 5-minute wait, so we'll see. Even if it's only like 10-20 minutes, that's fine for us. So yeah, let's go on Space Mountain.
Hyperspace, okay.
Hyperspace Mountain. Oh dear, I can't get out of my head what Disney World ones are. The confusion.
I just can't convert.
Problems we have to live with. Right, let's go on.
Okay.
It's a 15-minute wait, it's saying. I don't know how regularly this app stays updated, really. Morning.
Morning.
It is 5 to 9, so we're doing Big Thunder and we're heading on to Hyperspace. So we'll probably get at least 2 done in the first hour, which is good, similar to yesterday in all fairness.
There she goes again.
That was awesome.
Really good.
Really, really good.
It's like fun.
We was on the back carriage, so we've been on the back carriage for Thunder and First Base.
Yeah.
So good. Really comfy seats.
Yeah,
as
very
well.
good harnesses.
And
Keep
we're
chewing.
saying it's quite nice that they've got the nod to the original one as well still.
Theming inside, so
Yeah, the carriages is the same.
samey. Just a few pictures are different and
Yeah, and then obviously the actual, once you're in there, it's all Star Wars.
yeah.
Yeah, really, really good. Really good fun. We're just going to check to see what else.
It goes upside down a few times as well.
It's upside down a lot, actually.
Yes. Whereas the one in Florida does not.
No.
Very gentle. We're heading on Autopia. Autopia.
Autopia. Off they go. I don't know how long we've been waiting, about 10 minutes. Just opened the other side, so we've kind of bypassed a lot of it, really. Pretty lucky. No, we've only done Disney World last time I drove. So Josh is going to drive today because we're in France.
Have you ever been on this one?
No, never been on this one. So we'll see how we get on French roads. Let's go. Woo! Terrible driver.
The steering is delayed. So reckless. We'll do this.
Now, I already think I did a better job last time. Yeah. Not ready to be on the track yet. Go over the bridge. How nice. Yeah. Oh, it's definitely a queue. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. Yeah. This is a really good track. It's all over the place. Ooh. Malfunction. Oh my god! Same! And come. It's a spooky morning in Paris. A sunny, spooky morning. We've just found a photo pass point in front of the castle, so we're just queuing up now to get our photo done, and then I think we're going to head to get some snacks.
Hello, bonjour à tous. I am back.
Hello. Hello, Jack.
Hello, friends. Hello. Very good to see you.
And you.
Ça y est, ça y est. Incroyable. Ouais, ouais.
Hello, friends. Good to see you. You have any plans for Halloween? Thank you. There. Why thank you, friends? I was looking at you. That's right.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Do you approve, Mookie? That's the question.
Yes.
Yes.
Terrified. Why thank you for coming, friends.
Thank you.
Have a happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Yes, looking at you.
Bye bye.
Bye, friends.
I see.
That was cool.
So heading to the venture aisle to go to Captain Jack's. We'll see.
Hello.
Bon appétit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so our meals have arrived. Oh,
Yes, they have.
they smell, smell very, very yummy. So you went for the
Went for the fish.
fish. Which one was it? The wahoo?
Wahoo.
Wahoo fillet, which looks chunky,
Grilled wahoo.
and it's got slaw with it, like carrot slaw,
Yeah, mixed
root vegetables.
carrots
Yeah.
and sweet potato mash.
Oh, you got sweet potato mash in there?
Yeah.
Goodness. And you just went for a Coke, didn't you? I went for one of the non-alcoholic cocktails, which is very nice. And I went for the succulent pork. It looks like it's got crispy bits on top with aubergine and squash and a side of salad, which I wasn't expecting. Oh, I heard it.
Carrots and pickle.
Oh, are they? Very nice. Yummy, yummy. Oh yeah, golden gunpowder. And then just through those windows, that's where your waiting room is. Very good theming, isn't it? Really good.
Like neck.
And that's where the boats come in. It's very good theming. Really like it. Good food too.
Now it's your turn. Come on, all together. Everybody join in.
good timing.
Yeah. Really enjoyed the parade.
Yeah, different. Very festive.
Yeah,
If you can say festive.
festive, yeah, I suppose festivity.
Maybe.
Seated while the train is moving, keeping your hands and arms inside the train. Ne manquez pas une vue panoramique de Francisland, le plus joyeux des royaumes. Célèbre les enfants du monde. Just below, stay seated while the train is moving, keeping your hands and arms inside the train. And no smoking.
So we're just going through Adventureland, not been through this way yet. The train was good, and we've had a look round Frontierland and had some magic shots. So we're just having a bit of a wander now, aren't we? Not really got a plan as such.
Oh, we're going donuts.
Maybe.
That's fine.
You guys are not used to it.
We're just at the old mill, which is here in Fantasyland. First time I've come across around here. And we're going to get one of the Halloween ice creams and maybe some other bits, I'm not sure yet. It's snack time.
Waited a little long time to get this.
Service wasn't great, was it?
Like, is it cream or ice cream? I think it's just cream, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Looks like cream.
Yeah, it kind of is just cream. But it's like, it's pumpkin cream.
Oh, okay. You thought it was ice cream, didn't you?
It's really quite strange.
Got a spider web on a little spider as well.
Yeah. A chocolate cone.
I might try and find another treat.
Yeah.
See where we go. What man here ice cream?
I think everybody in that queue had gone mad.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Another long queue for ice cream.
Yeah, I was just saying the longest queues we've done today have been for food
Yeah.
and characters, not rides.
Strawberry and raspberry ice cream.
Ooh, yummy.
That's good.
And that was just from, who was it? The tea. Whoa.
Nice.
The Mad Hatter's ice cream stand.
They good?
Yeah?
Hook ship. School Rock. You should be able to just go on there casually, couldn't
Yeah, it's closed in a minute. Saying the tunnels are closed as well.
you? What, as in caves?
School Rock, yeah.
Oh, well you could go in there.
No, only certain ones are open.
How peculiar.
But yeah, you could use those sponges.
Can you go on the big bridge and that?
I don't know actually.
I'm sure I saw, yeah, people are on it.
Oh yeah, you can then.
Jumpy bridge is just in the background. You can see people walking and jumping along. I'm pretty sure you have to go in the caves to get onto them bridges. We're going to head on to the Pirates finally. Obviously we've eaten there.
Yeah.
It only makes sense to ride it.
I think it's a 30-minute wait staying. It's a very busy day today.
Very busy. Saying 25-minute wait. Not bad.
That's a good lad. When you talk to them for that news.
Moving on.
Just come out of Pirates. We found Jack. Rallying autographs, taking some photos. Seen so much of him recently this year. all over the place.
It does. It gets dark quickly.
Welcome to the world of mischief, dark magic, and wickedness. It is time for Disney villains to smile bigger. After all, it is their time to shine brighter. So let's get wicked.
For 30 years, Disneyland Paris has welcomed dreamers of all ages from all around the world. The magic, it's just begun.
apocalypse is hit. So after the fireworks, we've decided to come to the Skyliner bar. Our cocktails have just arrived. So Josh, you went for, what was yours?
It is a yellow something.
Yellow martini. So I went for the green smash. Just this one.
Mystic yellow martini cocktail.
And what's it consist of?
This is citrus vodka, lemon liqueur, lemon curd, Italian meringue and biscuits.
It looks very good. Smells good. And it comes with a spoon. It's like a dessert and a cocktail.
It is. Remember what yours is?
I think mine's vodka and pineapple base. I think.
You've got the blue Curacao.
I'm not sure, yeah, quite possibly.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
No, and we've ordered some chicken wings as well, yeah.
Chicken wings.
And the chicken wings have just arrived. So you get some carrot sticks and celery and a dip.
Hot sauce.
Oh yeah, hot sauce.
Hot
Of
sauce.
course. Yum yum.
Wowee.
We've just had a drink at the Skyliner bar, or Skyline bar.
Very good.
Yeah, really nice.
Glad we stopped off from the last night.
Yeah, we weren't going to, because we're only here once.
Draw me in.
Yeah,
Not
so
the cocktail, yeah.
we needed something after the fireworks. I thought, why not? But yeah, we had a really good day. Didn't really get to film much in the afternoon, but we met up with some family. Which was really nice for them to experience the park, and we just helped them out a little bit with different recommendations. So we managed to go on Pirates, Haunted Mansion and Star Tours and Teacups actually. So yeah, we managed to get quite a few in there. Wait times were not accurate.
Star Tours mainly.
Yeah, it was Star Tours said it was 30 minutes wait, it was 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
It was walk on, 3 minutes.
Yeah, just a general walk.
Just a general walk on. Teacups was 5 minutes, it was walk on. Haunted Mansion, walk on, said 5 minutes. And Pirates was 15 minutes at less. It was walk on. So yeah, it worked out really well in the end. It was a very busy day in the park. We queued for ages for the ice cream, it was ridiculous. We did eat at the Golden Nugget as well. We had the Halloween burger, the black burger. We didn't film that because, like I say, it was with family. But it was really good. They didn't have any garlic sauce on the chips, but it was on the burger. And the Maleficent dessert was really good. So it's €25 for a burger, fries, the Maleficent sundae. It should be fun.
Just a very good day.
Yeah, really good day. Oh, yeah, every day so far has been really good.
Yeah.
We've really good jobs on California.
Catching up.
Yeah. So if you've enjoyed this vlog, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to see what we get on our final day, then please join us tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching.
Thank you. See you again.